Hi guys, and welcome back to Crafts&Magic. Today I'm going to be teaching you a cool trick you can do on Procreate or any other drawing app you have. So let's get to it. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a cool little trick on Procreate. So what you're first going to do is you're going to make your background layer. So I like going to the Abstract tab, and I think Octagon looks really cool. So this is my background layer. I'm just going to color that in right there. And now I'm going to write the message that I want. So I think my message is going to be, hey. So I'm going to go to inking. I like to use Studio Pen. And I'm just going to write, hey. Now I'm going to create a second layer. And I'm going to find another brush to put on top to use as my second background color. So I think I'm going to use clouds. So I'm going to do this, and then I think I'm going to do a couple more colors because I think that makes it look better, and also it hides when you can see behind the layer. So I'm just going to keep filling that in just to make sure you can't see any other part of the layer. Alright, so now I'm done. And you can do a screen video of this and send it to your friends, or you can have your friend do it themselves, but it looks really cool. So you just tap on the eraser, and then you erase. And then once you erase, it will go to the next layer. And there, you have your little secret message. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!